I've been designing and building things for almost 50 years. Every project, every company, every material I've ever worked with, each one added something. New skills, new instincts, and new ways of solving problems. And all of that accumulates. I started this channel, Timber West Design, building timber and concrete projects. But one of those concrete projects evolved into something I think is really special. Special enough to build its own website around, and special enough to build a company around. And that product is this speaker, the Arcus. And because of where this is all heading, the name Timber West Design just doesn't really fit the channel anymore. So the website is now StoneSonicAudio.com, and starting now, so is this channel. And this shirt that I wear every week with my logo on it, well, it's going to change too. Welcome to the new logo. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? I think I like it. So I'm genuinely excited about where this is going. The builds are still coming, the design process is still here. It's just going to be focused on audio. And let me tell you what that's going to look like. So building things is just a part of who I am. It always has been. I spent decades in product development and R&D, designing things, figuring out how to manufacture them, and then getting them out into the world. And that background shaped how I approach every project I take on. When I started this channel, concrete and timber were the materials I was working with. I was designing molds, casting projects, and figuring out what this material could do. It was genuinely fun, and the audience that found this channel connected with that process. But here's the thing about being a builder. You follow the work, and the work kept pointing me towards speakers. I built my first speaker cabinet out of MDF about 20 years ago for a surround sound system. Back then, it was just a fun project. I had no idea it would eventually lead to this. The craft has come a long way since that first cabinet, and honestly, so have I. What changed everything was discovering what cast composite material can do to a speaker cabinet acoustically. I didn't set out to engineer an acoustic material. I was just casting concrete and asking what else it could do. The answer turned out to be a lot. The turning point was when I connected with Danny Richie at GR Research. If you're not familiar with Danny, he's one of the most respected crossover designers in the audio world. He has spent decades measuring, testing, and redesigning speakers that major manufacturers got wrong. And he does not hand out compliments easily. When Danny saw this Arcus, his reaction was simple. He had never seen anything like it. And when he measured it, the data backed up what the material was promising. A cabinet that stays out of the way and lets the drivers do their job. That moment of validation changed how I saw what I was building. This wasn't just a cool concrete project anymore. This was a serious speaker. And if it was serious enough for Danny Richie to get behind it, it was serious enough for me to build a company around. So that's what I did. I designed the Arcus from the ground up, the cabinet geometry, the internal volume, the baffle layout. Danny designed the crossover. GR Research's own drivers, the M165 woofer and the Neo 3 magnetic planar tweeter, are what you'll find inside every pair. And the result is something I'm genuinely proud of, and it's the reason this channel has a new name. Now I want to talk directly to the people who found this channel through the timber and concrete content. The workbench builds, the mold making, the casting projects. I know that's why a lot of you subscribed, and I respect that. The honest truth is that this channel is going in a bit of a different direction, not because that content wasn't worth making, because it was, but because the speaker content took off in a way that I didn't fully anticipate. And when something connects that strongly with an audience, you have to pay attention to it. I'm still a builder, that's not changing. The design process, the mold making, the casting, all of that is still here. It's just going to be in service of audio now. And if speakers aren't your thing, I completely understand. No hard feelings. But if you're even a little bit curious about where this is going, you might want to stick around. I think you'll find that this craft is still very much at the center of everything we do. This channel has always been about building things well, and that part hasn't changed at all. So let me tell you a little bit about StoneSonic Audio and what we're building here. So the Arcus is a hand-built stand mount speaker. The cabinet is cast from Stonecast. It's a mineral cast composite material and process that I developed specifically for this application. It's dense, it's inert, and it does something that wood-based cabinets simply can't do at this price point. Every pair is built by hand in my workshop here in Utah, cast, finished, assembled, and tested before it ships. There's no production line, there's no overseas facility, just me, the material, and the process I've spent years refining. The Arcus is available now at StoneSonicAudio.com. If you want to learn more about the speaker, the technology behind it, or get a pair of your own, that's where you go. There you can find all the specs and frequency response measurements. But right now I want to tell you what's coming on this channel because I think this is where it gets really interesting. The builds are still coming. The design process, the mold making, the material testing, all of it is still here. But now it has a purpose beyond just making something cool. Every build, every test, every design decision is in the service of making better speakers. We're going to dig into things that actually matter in speaker design. Cabinet geometry, crossover components, driver selection, the stuff that most manufacturers sometimes don't talk about because they don't really want you to know what's inside their boxes, and that's how they can cut corners. We're going to do comparisons, real ones with real measurements, not just listening impressions, even though we'll do that too. Actual data that you can look at and evaluate for yourself. We're going to keep building. The Arcus is the first product, but it won't be the last. I have some other designs in development. They'll come sometime down the road, and I'll be documenting that entire process here on this channel. This is an interesting time to be building speakers. The tools available to a small independent builder today, the measurement software, the simulation tools, the access to world-class crossover design have completely leveled the playing field. You don't really need a factory, you just need good judgment and the willingness to do the work. And that's what this channel is going to be all about. And this is what all of those years have been building toward, and I'm glad you're here for it. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, hit subscribe, there's a lot new coming. And if you've been here from the beginning, thank you genuinely. You're the reason this channel got to this point. I'll see you on the next one.